How's it going, everybody? Ramon here with Inland Empire Sports with a quick little video here at Frank & Sons. About to pick up a card I submitted, Justin Herbert XRC. I was told it got here last week, so I'm here to pick it up right now. So just gonna head over straight to the booth, see what I got, hoping for a 10. If not, then guess I'm not making too much money on it. I mean, I won't be breaking even on it, but I'll make a few dollars on it at least. After this, I'm going to be heading over to premiere show at Westminster. I believe it started at 10 this morning, so I'm going to head over there and possibly move that card over there. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. Not really sure. A lot of background noise. And here we are.
Yeah. What's up, man? No, I just gotta go around the club over here. We got the coach hands over here. That's it. Yeah. Nothing super big. No. All right, bro. Well, I hope you have a great day. You too.
Here to pick up a card. It's a Herbert XRC.
Herbert XRC, is it a graded one or is it?
Yeah. I guess it got here last week.
Yeah. I think the price is not bad. So you can take it.
See here where they do the PSA submissions. Has a lot of wax. There's a lot of stuff here. A lot of singles.
Yeah, nice card. So I'm just gonna wait for the guy to come.
Yeah, that's fine. Can I just see it?
Yeah.
And
I believe that one.
bow. Got a 10. That's what I was hoping for. Perfect. Well, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you guys liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks. Catch you guys later.